Modern production starts with reliable solutions. One of them is the Crème Cooker MK series manufactured by MECH-MASZ. The preparation process is quick and convenient. Simply prepare the ingredients and add them to the machine, and it takes care of the rest. The entire process is ergonomic and helps reduce unnecessary time loss. The removable cover, equipped with a position sensor, meets all safety requirements during operation. A specially designed system allows easy installation and removal of the mixing tool, making it simple for any operator to handle. The robust stainless steel construction ensures durability and safe contact with food. The machine is resistant to corrosion and intensive use, making it an ideal choice for professionals. The tilting bowl provides better access when adding ingredients and when emptying it after the process is complete. Intuitive adjustment of temperature and heating time gives full command over the process. Precise control of the heating medium temperature up to 150 degrees Celsius, as well as the product temperature, allows the operator to ensure consistent results. Adjustable operating time and the option of automatic operation help save time and increase efficiency. The integrated mixing system operates evenly, thoroughly collecting the product from the walls and bottom of the bowl. This is achieved by precisely fitted side and bottom scrapers. Heating and mixing are controlled independently using separate start and stop buttons. A small inspection hopper allows safe monitoring of the process and enables adding ingredients without removing the entire cover. A solution similar to a bain-marie ensures gentle and even heating without the risk of burning. This is especially important when preparing products such as Crème pâtissière. The result? Perfectly smooth creams, stable mixture, and consistent texture at all time. The drain valve for liquid products makes emptying the bowl incredibly easy. The Crème Cooker MK is a versatile machine, suitable for creams, custards, cake fillings, jams, sauces, and even savory dishes such as risotto. One machine can handle multiple technological processes in both kitchen and industrial production. A version with an integrated cooling system allows the products to be quickly prepared for dosing or further processing. The Crème Cooker MK is a professional machine designed for production facilities that focus on the highest quality and consistency. The Crème Cooker MK means comfort of work, consistency, and quality that every user will appreciate.